not enough for a treatment. Like I told you, you need to make a deposit of 1.3 million naira for us to commence our chemo treatment.
Doctor, I promise to be good.
The sooner you make the complete deposit, the better for you.
Like I said, please continue helping us the way you've been doing. I'll get there.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, no problem.
Alright, thank you.
How are you feeling today? Sorry.
What can we say? Nkechi, how are you?
Don't worry, Mama. You will be fine. Okay?
Sir?
Mama! Doctor! Look at me!
Please.
Mama!
Please.
Emeka! Doctor!
Doctor.
Mama, just calm down, okay? Calm down.
Mama,
Just calm down.
you will be fine.
Doctor,
Sorry.
Doctor?
Doctor, what's going on? Why are you shaking your head? What's happening?
Is she dead?
No, she's not.
Okay.
But we really need to commence her chemo treatment. If not, things might go wrong.
Okay.
Immediately.
Alright, baby. Baby. I will be back. I'm coming. Alright?
Oh, please be careful.
Hey, take care of her.
I will.
Mama.
Boss, it's clean. We want to see you.
On the men, my belly. Have mercy on me. The same more we see somewhere over. But the town is yet when neighbors here kaji. I was in Jim mode. Each one beans. Yet any marker now. Look at my mother is dying. I have no other place to turn to. It's gone, matey. Please, okay, you have my money, no problems. But give me, let it be a loan. Let it be loan me. I will pay back. Okay, what money you know now? My mom, I did go by obituary. Please, see me in the evening. In the evening. Okadi eli onye mu anya. Adi eli onye na-eli mabulu ka esi eli. Ya bụ na ka a na-eli adị eli onwe fa. Lezie mụ nwa kwesịrị iso nwere obodo. Obodo tọ ntụ ya ti igwe na-ebi aka ji. Ọntụ na mbụzi ji nwa obodo. What will I do? I never could have carried the car with far babia. My own money. Eh? My own money. $5 million. This guy in Eliano money for real. This guy fits on human flesh.
Oh, well, and then nobody finally I catch him. What was in the nobody finally kiri I give him. Man, nobody believe when no guy say, Bube, I catch him. A banya sini, man, the mother, nekili, I give him. A man can see what the.
What did I do? What did I do to you?
This is what I will fight it to the end.
Doctor, be fast, you know.
She's better now.
Okay.
But the longer she stays here without the treatment, the more her chances of survival are reduced.
Okay, so what next? We
need to get on with her treatment immediately.
Okay. Thank you. Nkechi, you'll be okay. You'll be okay. We'll do something.
I'll give you the money you asked for. But only on one condition. Which is? Sign it. I'll write a check for you. I should sign a document that states that I will never bother you over my own money again. Really, Mike. So you were the one who killed Obin and made away with my money. I never said that. You cannot deny it. Listen. Sandra already mentioned your name before her untimely death. Yes, she saw you and that was why you went ahead to finish her up when you heard that she survived. Do you want to save your mom? If you do, sign the document. I'll write a check for you right now. Imagine Mike asking me to sign a document before I can get money to pay my mother's medical bills. Imagine that. Listen, I am not going to sign any documents. But you see that money? Mike must give it to me. Money in question, the money in question is my money. So what are we talking about? Eh? Oh, come on, man. Instead of Mike not to give me my money, you know,
this life, who would have thought that Mike is capable of such? Eh? Even if you are going to sign any document, It has to be a good amount of money, not common medical bill.
Udoka, I am not even interested in signing any paper. I am not signing any agreement. Listen, okay with the code. The code tore down. And then Mike said the Aza Buso Aza. He was the one who provided the Aza. I asked him, Osim na Aza Buso Aza. It's easy go na Aza. And then we are on top peletum Miss Moemo Jumi Mateka. My own money.
Nah, it's Maroga.
I will not give him a breathing space. Why would I say? The money belongs to me. What is it? Who is after you?
Mama. I don't know. Mama.
Honestly, I'm tired. I'm tired of all this. Everybody I went to seeking for help denied me of that.
Even Ichioka would have promised me that when his son Mike comes back, he will help me. Keeps giving me different excuses. Everything. Huh?
I'm tired though. I'm tired. Well, I don't know. Well, we can't let Mama die. We can't let her die.
She will not die.
Papa, how? We do not have money for her chemotherapy. How? Is
that why you're giving up hope?
Papa, let's face reality. Mangu to Noku. Hey.
You appear calm and you want to see me.
Send him in.
Yes, boss.
Where is the document? I see you've come to your senses. I will do it. I'll take chances.
She might not survive. Her survival chances is like 10%.
This is a check for 5 million naira. Do all you can to keep that alive.
Are you sure you want to go through this?
Yes.
If you are going to come out of it
Mama, you'll be fine.
alive and well,
You'll be fine.
nothing will happen to you. You will not die.
God will not allow anything to happen.
Easy.
Take it easy, please.
She will stop saying all this. She will survive it. Don't get me angry. Doctor.
Don't worry, don't stay calm.
Once again.
Hey! Mike. My mother. My mother. Mike, why? Mike, why? You have succeeded in killing my mother. You have succeeded. If you had given me my money, my mother wouldn't have died. It shall not be well with you, Mike. And I will not rest until you give me that money. Hi. Mom. Mama, you would have just waited. You would have just waited. Ego Nabia. Jesus Christ. What do you want? What do you want?
It's never out of place to come sympathize with a friend, is it? Never out of place. You just use this for some burial expenses. I'm really very sorry for...
Sorry for stealing my money? Or sorry for killing a man and taking what does not belong to you?
What are you talking about?
What am I talking about? Listen, you think people do not know. Why don't you tell people the source of your wealth? Tell them you have blood on your hands.
Gerald! You watch your words. Can you hear me? Watch your words, else!
Oh, else what? Else what? Kill me? Kill me like you killed him?
Gerald, what is the problem? How can he insult the guest that came to pay us condolence visit?
One more!
Please!
Put your head. Now get one and dog give him back. Come on, calm down. Boss! Now get one dog give him back. What came around? Go post your head. Hey, leave here. Leave here now before if I enter you, I will not come out.
Boss, do not go either. Let's finish this man.
Come on, there. Let's talk to your men. Let them get out of here. Point their gun. Point their gun. Mike, take your men away now. Take your men away. Go now. Get out of here. Like I get you here again. One then why not the man will build prison and the man will build church at the same thing? Correctional center. See this mother. Where are the killer? This man killed my mother. This man still killed. And that one like I said, taking out about.
Mike, what was he talking about?
Nothing, Papa.
What do you mean nothing?
I said nothing. Let's go. Nothing.
Hey yo, I'm losing control. Hey, oh, well, and the nobody, finally, I catch him. What was in the nobody, Fanekiri, I catch him. Manobodo, believe when no guy say, Bube, I catch him. Abanya Sinim and the mother, Nekili, I catch him.
You don't know Mbo. If you don't know Mbo, forget about it. Because you were still too small when Mbo was Udoka, she's standing now. Look, man.
How many more bottles will you take before you realize that drinking yourself to stupor will not bring your mother back to life?
At least it will take away my sorrows.
It was for a while. Put yourself together. I'm strong for your dad. He needs you. And let me ask you, how do you think he will feel seeing you in this condition?
He is a big boy. He will be okay last.
What are you doing to yourself?
Give me more bottle. This one is about to finish. Place it before I finish. Ha! One man only has window. Hey! Asa, Ibrana. Admiralty.
Gerard, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to yourself? And why did you allow him to drink so much?
I want to drink away my sorrows.
Well, I was not around before. I just came in. I was about taking him home before you came in.
Please, let's take him home.
No. I want one more.
It is enough.
Udoka. Standing now. Udoka.
Let's go.
It's okay. You are too beautiful. Like, is it mommy water that gave birth to you?
Mommy water gave birth to you.
That is why you are looking like this. You are looking like three mommy water together. Look, come back to fire you take me home without allowing me to drink more alcohol.
Don't worry.
Mama, just take a look at this. Look at this, Mama. Hi, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Hey! Emeka, I made it.
Your results!
Mama, I made it. I made it, so I passed the exams, Mama. I'm sorry.
Hey!
I'm
Delta State University!
Yes, Mama.
Emeka, you're not a student.
I'm a student.
Turn. You're not a student.
I'm a student.
Run. Come. Emeka, you're getting too heavy these days. Stand there, you're eating too much apple. What is it?
Mama, let's go.
Come on, Emeka, come on. Come and see Emeka. I've made it.
Emeka.
Papa.
You'll be going to the university tomorrow. That is to say, I, your father, or your mother will not be there with you. That means you are on your own. Whatever you become in the school is absolutely your decision. But I want you to make the right and the wisest decision.
Papa, I give you my word. I will not disappoint you.
I believe you.
Mama, listen. The world is wicked. This world is evil. The university is full of evil. Mom, Mama, Biko, I beg you, be very careful with the kind of friends you keep there. Oh, most especially girls. They can destroy your destiny anytime, anywhere, and anyhow. Biko, I'm begging you. Go to school. Read very well and make me proud. Mama, I give you my word. I will make you proud. I am going there to make you proud.
Not only her. Make your father proud.
Yes. Mama, I remember your words, Mama, and your promises towards me. I give you my word, Mama. I won't fail you. I promise to make you proud. I promise to make you proud, Mama.
This is a fantastic babe. Oh, hello. Excuse me, just a minute. Beautiful. Just fantastic. I will miss that. Oh, my beautiful angel. How are you? How are you?
Good day, sir.
Oh, the day is already good. I'm blessed. Your parents near me. So, how do you do?
I'm very much fine.
Oh, fantastic. Why not join me in my vehicle? Let me take you down.
No, sir. Thank you. I'm okay.
It's not free. I'm going to lavish money on you. Just name your price.
I think I need to be on my way.
No. Come.
Bye-bye, sir.
Hey. No. I won't miss you. I won't miss this. I won't miss it. Be running, I will get you.
This your new style of drowning yourself in alcohol is not the best. Your mother will not be proud of this new you wherever she is.
Not when my life has become meaningless. life is meaningless.
Your life is not meaningless.
It is meaningless, Papa. Because I didn't have money. I did not have money to pay my mother's treatment. I couldn't afford her treatment. That was why my mother died. Papa, Mama would have been here. Just because there was no money. Where is she? And you're saying my life is not meaningless.
God knows why it happened the way it did.
Give me my friend.
Wait, okay, when I finish, I'll give you. Gerald, there's something I've been wanting to ask you about.
Papa, if you want to ask me anything, give me my alcohol. Give me my friend first.
Okay, I'll give you your friend when you answer me. Yes.
Okay.
Gerald, there is something I've been wanting to ask you. Why were you accusing Mike of stealing and killing? Was that a joke?
If that was a joke, it would have been an expensive one. A very dangerous joke. Papa, my mother died. My mother died because I don't have money. Give me my friend.
Wait, I'll give you.
Give me my friend.
You're cool down.
My life is meaningless.
No.
I don't have money. I don't have mother again. Hey. Life.
Hey, you're so sweet. I just like God to say a truth to them, jiggy.
Do you want my husband to find out?
I've told you to leave that your stupid listening man for me. I have what it takes to take good care of you.
What about the money you promised to give me?
That's no problem. I'll give you the money.
Mike has gone back to the city with my money. Mike stole my money and went back to the city. Right?
I beg your pardon. My son is
a thief. He is a thief. Mike is a criminal. Mike is a murderer. Oh, he went back to the city with blood on his hands. Okay? Okay.
Don't believe yourself.
I
will call my son now.
Olubero. So what wrong? Marcus, get back. You know man? Marcus, have you gone mad? Have you gone mad? Have I gone mad? No. If getting my money is madness, Maria power. I will run into you now. Please don't. Please.
Don't give me. Hey! I'm not Mike.
Run away! Go to the house. They call the couple. Agric Delta State. Don't worry. Tell your son
and I will not rest until you pay my money. Every time you collected from me.
Hey yo, I'm losing control. Oh, well, and then nobody finally I catch him. What was in
If Naya, thank you very much for the food. I liked it. I mean, it tasted nice. Thank you so much.
Stop telling me thank you.
You're such a great cook and a nice person. A good friend.
Oh my goodness. Ifunanya, what are you doing? What are you doing with him?
I don't understand what's going on here. Who is she?
She's my friend.
Who is your friend? After all the insults you rained on him?
Excuse me, what are you talking about?
Look at, I told her that I liked you, that you are handsome. She declined it. She said that you are ugly, that you are ripe pawpaw, that you stink. You don't even take your bait.
Are you for real? Did you say all of those things to me?
No, I did not. Amarachi, why are you lying now? Why are you lying? Why are you lying? So you mean I'm lying now? You are wicked. So you don't touch me. You know that I liked him and you went behind me to steal him from me.
This. Did you really say all of those to her? You really stabbed me at the back. If I am talking to you, you stabbed me at the back.
Don't listen to what she's saying. She's lying. She's lying. Please listen to me. She's lying. Please.
My friend, when do you think you are going to come back here? Come back here. Are you okay? You are wicked.
How am I wicked?
You know that I'm in love with him and you went behind me to steal him.
How am I wicked?
So I will deal with you.
You have not even spoken to him, oh.
And so? So because you are a sharp speaker, you now went to my back, right?
Overtaking is allowed.
See, if I slap you, you will go deaf.
You will slap me?
Yes.
See, Amarachi, don't let him go. Let me go and talk to him. I will come back for you later.
You are very stupid. Are you okay?
Amarachi.
If I slap you, you go there. Don't remove your hand on me. Amarachi, remove your hand on me. Amarachi, don't try me. Amarachi.
Obodo fanekiri akafim mana obodo bụlụ igwe na oga ise bube ya ka jim agbanye sinima ndị mmadụ a na-ekili ya akafim ịma ka nsi kwado obi elewago m na this is what I will fight until the end. I will run into anybody who block my way. As you see me at the best, yo, somebody love me, yo.
What did I want you?
Where were you?
Did they match? Now your mama not find you well. Sorry.
No, give me home.
He is so mean. Oh, yeah, I am. Imana, oh, yeah, Jalan. Oh, yeah,
Mike, stay on that.
oh, yeah, I am. Oh, yeah, I am. You can do anything for the money. Oh, yeah, there are friends who are friends. And there are enemies. They are unfriendly friends. Far from melody, look one bit in Azu. They will smile with you, and you would think they are there with you. Before you know ya, they say you're killing me. He is so mean. Oh, yeah, Imana, oh, yeah, Jalan. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, you can do anything for the money. Oh, yeah, share this up for you, you this up for me. When level red, we dey watch our back. Now they buy luck, you dey buy data. When I get a jackala, waiting for the beat. Mana Dakala Dando, Ibulego Mana, Alogasi Mansion everywhere. Joy one man, get the cozy. He is so mean. Oh, yeah, Imana Obia Jalanjana Obia Dinayama Obia Dinayama Chao Obia Dinayama You can do anything for the money Obia Dinayama Chao
Okay, I've told you cannot bring your son.
Why?
Officer.
Thank you for this. The truth is, I cannot grant him bail.
Why is that? What's wrong?
We are under strict instruction not to grant him bail. But I can only allow you to visit him.
Wait a minute. You said you're under strict instructions not to grant him bail.
Yes.
By who? Who gave the instruction?
Madam, that question only DPO go fit answer am. As you see now here, and my own work na there. Okay. You get 3 minutes.
Gerald, why don't you just let this go? Forgive whatever it is that is hurting you. Huh?
If Mike thinks bringing me up to this place will make me shut up, he doesn't know what he's up against.
Baby.
Madam, shift back. Go back.
So sorry, sir. Babes, you need to listen to your father. Mike has ordered the police not to grant you bail. Please.
Really?
Yes, he did.
Okay. Kitty has not few about just I know you want to know.
There's nothing I can do about that. If your son Gerard behaved himself, won't I be in trouble now?
Are you not concerned about this sudden war between them?
Why should I? You should know they are now men and not boys.
Please, talk to Mike. Talk to him to release my son. My wife is in the mortuary. Having my son in the police custody is...
It's not my business.
It's none of your business.
Of course.
No, I can't. You don't have an appointment with him.
I am not going to leave this place if I don't see your boss.
No, you can't. Leave now before I descend on you.
I am not going to leave this place until I see your boss.
I said get out!
I am not leaving. Go in there and tell him that I'm here. I'm not going to leave this place until I get to see him.
Right. I think your sister is the one doing this. Yes. And it seems she's doing it on purpose. Like, she doesn't want us together. Like, she's trying to detach herself. I don't like it. It's okay, fine. I have a wedding to attend on Friday. Yes, and I would like you to go with me. Friday. Fine. I'll be expecting Friday, okay? Alright, I love you.
I said get out! I am not leaving. Go in there and tell him that I'm here. I'm not going to leave this place until I get to see him.
I know he can hear my voice. He's in there and he's seen what is going on. Go there, tell him that I need to see him.
And you can't see him.
What's going on there?
Boss, she was trying to come in, but I was holding her out.
I just want this war between you two to end, please.
Good to see you again. Who are you talking about?
I'm talking about Gerald.
And who is he to you?
He's my boyfriend. It's okay, I'm fine.
Oh. You see, Joel is the one putting up a fight with me when he clearly knows that he cannot match me. I mean, take a look.
Listen, all I'm asking is that you two end this war. Why not become the great friends you used to be? Papa said you two were very close. What happened?
I don't get it. A beautiful woman like you. What are you doing with a guy like Gerald? A guy who can take care of you. Why?
Can you please just talk to the police to release him? Please, that's all I'm asking.
It's possible. And it's easy.
Thank you.
Only if you are willing to do what you should do as a woman. I understand. I love to chase. Alright. It simply means you don't want me to release it.
Listen, I can't do what you're asking. Moreover, you have a wife.
Oh, forget about my wife. I'm sure she's somewhere with a sister right now spending my money. Besides, I'm an African man. I can marry as many women as I want. So...
I'm sorry, but I have to take my leave.
How much? Everyone has a price. What's yours?
You can never afford me in a lifetime.
As you see me at the vest, yo. Somebody hold me, yo. And I lose the control. My heart is broken. Then I'm born on you, boy. Somebody hold me, yo. I am losing it, oh. Oh, be a power, me. Then I'm born on you, my. Hey, this is what.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I didn't mean any of that.
Oh, really?
I was too jealous. I was jealous. I thought he was coming for you.
You're funny, you know. It's okay. I don't want any problem. Right now, I have a lot going on with me. Just stop. Okay, just go your way. I don't want to talk to you again.
Please forgive me. You can't chase me away, please.
Why? What are you doing? What if people are watching? Just stand up, please.
No, I'm not standing up. Just forgive me, please.
It's fine. I have forgiven you.
We're
okay?
friends, right?
But I don't want a friendship anymore with you.
Just
Please, just stay on your own. Okay, don't put me in troubles, please.
Please.
It's okay. Just
forgive me. I'm
just
not
stand up. My father is coming. Just stand up. Papa.
What is
she...
That does not answer my question. Young lady, why are you making things so? What is it?
Papa, I came to ask for his forgiveness.
But I told you that I've forgiven you. Can't you get it? Please, just go.
Get out of here! Run!
And for you,
Papa.
if you leave your studies and focus on frivolities like that one, I bet you will not do well. It's not a curse. It's real. Shut up! I'm talking. Listen. Imarazo is so igwe. Me imarazo is so nana. Atoro omara. Omara ife. Mana atoro ofeke. Ofenya no fia. You will see me when you come back. Papa. Papa, it's not what you think.
Stanley, I have to be very honest with you. Forget about the killers of your brother and move on with your life. Forget about the killers. I mean, leave this country. You still have his properties under your care. The girlfriend is dead. Just bury your brother and move on.
James, you're not getting it. I can't just move on like that. I must avenge my brother's death.
Alright, let me clear the air to you. The police have been frequenting my office for questioning lately, and I am getting increasingly uncomfortable. That is because Obina called me a night before he died. Obina, your brother, was into cybercrime. I am telling you. Yes, we are in it big time. All the big boys, all the top guys you see in the society, they are into cybercrime secretly and intelligently.
James, are you telling me that my brother Obina was a banker and a fraudster?
I mean, no disrespect, but yes.
I don't believe you.
Listen, Stanley. Obina was my friend, which you know. We worked in the bank together. If you continue with this investigation and the police finds out Obina was into cybercrime, they will confiscate his properties and even arrest you. I'm telling you the honest truth. I mean, take my advice. Bury your brother. Remain with the property. Move on with your life. And everything be bygone.
Okay, James, now you tell me, how do you expect me to just believe what you said?
Okay. Someone built a MAGA, and the MAGA dropped $5 million. Obina called me and we worked it out. We were at the point of sending the percentage to the real dealer. And the next thing I heard was Obina is gone. I tried looking into the money and Obina had done a transfer prior his death to an account I can't even trace up till now.
God. Jesus.
Listen, I believe someone who knew about the deal killed Obina. Yes, someone who doesn't want to share the percentage of the money 60-40 with him.
Mike.
Mike?
Mike. Mike.
Who is Mike?
Don't worry, he's nobody. He's nobody. This is it.
Heed my advice.
This is it.
Heed my advice. Forget this whole investigation and all that, and let's move on.
This is it. Mike. Mike.
$5 million is not a little amount of money.
Oh my dear. Wait a minute. You're serious? Gerald, did I hear you say $5 million? Gerald, that is a lifetime fortune.
I know.
Yes. Now I know, and I am surprised that you are this calm. You should go over to him, fight him and get your money. I mean, what are you doing here? $5 million. Gerald, what business did you do to get that kind of money? And why haven't you gone to the police? Or did you steal the money?
Even if I stole it, it is my money. Well, I mean, not exactly.
Not exactly?
Baby, it is my money. I worked for it.
Exactly why you shouldn't be sitting down here. You should be at his place, fighting him to get your money from him. Or maybe sue him, take him to the station.
I can't sue him now. I need a plan. I need to plan.
You need to plan. Okay. So what's the plan?
Babe, this is my fight. It is my war. Allow me handle it my way. Alright?